In 1953, a sleep researcher at the University of Chicago named Nathaniel Kleitman noticed something the rest of the field had missed. The human brain does not run in one steady state all day. It cycles in blocks of roughly 90 minutes, whether you are asleep or wide awake, and whether you like it or not. Kleitman called it the basic rest-activity cycle, and it became the seed of everything we now know about ultradian rhythms. Here is what that means in daylight hours. Your brain climbs toward peak alertness for about 70 to 90 minutes. Then it drops hard into a 10 to 20-minute trough where focus, memory, and patience all take a hit at the same time. Researchers who extended Kleitman's work, including Israeli sleep scientist Peretz Lavie, tracked this same pattern in fully awake adults sitting at a desk, not just in sleep labs. Your worst afternoon slump is not laziness. It is a scheduled biological event. Most people fight the trough instead of using it, and that is where things go wrong. We post 3 of these every day, so if this kind of brain science is useful to you, subscribe now so you catch tomorrow's before it disappears in your feed. Here is the complication. When you force focus straight through a trough, cortisol and adrenaline spike to compensate, propping you up artificially. That works for a few minutes, but it borrows against your next cycle, so the crash after lunch is often payback for ignoring the one before it. Push through enough of these troughs in a row, and the 90-minute peaks themselves start shrinking, which is why some days you never feel sharp at all. Comment below with the number of minutes you usually last before you hit a wall, because for most people who have timed it, it lands somewhere between 70 and 90, almost exactly on Kleitman's original number. The fix researchers point to is not caffeine or willpower. It is working in blocks that match the cycle, roughly 90 minutes of focused work, followed by a real 15 to 20-minute break where you actually stand up, not just switch tabs. That single scheduling change is what closes the loop Kleitman opened in 1953. Your brain was never broken in the afternoon. It was just running on a clock nobody told you about. Hit the bell so this lands in your feed tomorrow.